Good morning, class 1. Welcome to the EVS class. Class 1, we have completed chapter 3, that is Others in My World. In page number 19, chapter 3, Others in My World. We learned in the chapter about our family members and the different types of families, which are joint family, single family and nuclear family. And in page 20 we learned working together and other people around us. And we learned in page number 21 points to remember, that we'll live with our father, mother, brother and sister together in one family, and parents and children live together in a small family. Parents, children and grandparents live together in a joint family. Our neighbors live near us, and we have friends in our school and in our neighborhood. So these are the some of the points that we need to remember in this chapter. Then we learned in page number 22 words to learn, and we also saw the exercises. Match the following. And in page number 23, B and C also do and learn. These are your homework. I have given you as your homework. Those who have completed, you can send it through online for the correction. Okay, children. Now today we are going to learn chapter 4, celebrating together. This is chapter 4. Take page number 24, chapter 4, celebrating together. Okay, now let us see what do you mean by celebration and which are the things we are going to celebrate together. Now before we go into the class, tell me, what special days do you celebrate in your family? We celebrate in our family, for example, birthday, marriage day and some prayers, etc. Yes? As you have learned, we all live in a family and our neighbors live near us. So we have learned we live in our family and our neighbors live next to our house. We all celebrate special days such as birthday, wedding day of our family members. Okay, children, we all celebrate some special day. What is that special day? They are festivals. Okay, festivals. We celebrate different types of festival. What do you mean by festival? Festival is a special time for religious or other celebration. During that festival time, we wear new clothes, we will eat new good food, special food and have lots of fun with our family members. Also, we visit our friends and our neighbors and exchange gifts and sweets during the festival. Okay? During festival, we wear good clothes, eat good food and have a lot of fun. And we exchange gifts with our friends and neighbors. Now tell me, why do you wear good clothes on festival? We wear good clothes on festival because we also want to be good with others and look good and be happy on celebrating the festival. Okay, children? So now we are going to see what are the religious festivals we have in our country. We celebrate many festivals in India. Okay, now let us see what are they. There are festival like Diwali, Eid, Christmas and Good Purab. Like that, there are so many festivals we have in India. Now we will see who will celebrate Diwali, who will celebrate Eid and who is celebrating Christmas. Okay? Religious festival. We celebrate many festivals in India. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus. It is called the festival of light. All will celebrate Diwali. Especially the Hindu people will celebrate Diwali. It is the festival of light. People during that Diwali time decorate their houses with light, flowers, candle and diyas. And they worship during Diwali the goddess Lakshmi. So Hindu people celebrate Diwali with light, candle and diya and they worship goddess Lakshmi. Okay. Now we are going to see Eid, the festival of Eid. Who is celebrating Eid? The Eid is celebrated by Muslims. It is celebrated at end of Ramzan, the holy month of fasting. People go to mosques to pray. Everyone wishes each other Eid Mubarak. So Eid is celebrated by Muslim people. They celebrate during at the end of Ramzan, which is a holy month of their fasting. Okay. Also they will go to mosque to pray and they wish each other Eid Mubarak. Now we'll see what the Sikh people do. What is their festival? Good Purab is an important festival of the Sikh. The Good Purab is important festival of the Sikh. It is celebrated to mark the birthday of the Sikh Gurus. So the Sikh Gurus' birthday is celebrated by Sikh people in the name of Gurpurab. On that day, people decorate their houses with light. They also go to the Gurudwara to pray. So we saw Sikh people celebrate Good Purab. They remember the birthday of Sikh Gurus, and that day they decorate their houses with light. Also they go to Gurudwara to pray. Now we are going to see about the festival of Christmas. Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th December. When we celebrate Christmas, the Christians celebrate Christmas on 25th December. It marks the birthday of Jesus Christ. Whose birthday? It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. People go to the church to pray. Where the people go to pray? The people go to pray in the church. They decorate Christmas trees and exchange gifts and cakes. During Christmas, the Christians decorate their houses with a Christmas tree, also exchange gifts and cake. Children wait for Santa Claus to give them present. During the Christmas season, children like you, they will wait for Santa Claus to give them some gifts like chocolates or some other gifts, etc. Okay children, now we saw the festivals of India. What are they? One is Diwali, second one Eid, third one Good Purab, and the fourth one is Christmas. Now tell me, during that festival, People will eat many good food, special food. What is your favorite food during the festival? See here, a column is given to write down. In the last one, what is your favorite food? You ask your father or mother or find out and write down here your favorite food. Okay. So children, now we saw chapter 4 in page number 24, celebrating together. We covered what is festival, what are the religious festival in India. They are Deepavali, Eid, Gurpurab and Christmas. So now you will write down few questions. I will send you in the telegraph some for your homework. Okay, do it and send it for the correction. So today with this page 24 and 25 we learnt. With this we will stop our class here and the next we'll learn in the next class. Okay, you read chapter 4, celebrating together. Read and learn and write down the questions that is asked. What special days do you celebrate in your family? The first question. And in the last question, what is your favorite food during festival? Okay children, do it and send it for the correction. Okay, today we will end the class here. Wish you all the best. Do well. Okay, we'll see you in the next class. Bye.